Well, hello and welcome everybody to Tuesday Take. And today we have got a very special guest. I frequently get asked, who does hardwood floors? You know, you bought this beautiful Victorian home. It has some really nice hardwood floors, but they're kind of beat up. But who in the area does them? Well, I have got Ed Lausche with Northern Hardwood Floors here with me, and he is always on the spot. See? Well, Ed, great to have you here. What is it that we should know about your process?
Yeah, that's a great question. So it's very simple. Most of these houses in our town, they have hardwood floors underneath the carpet. You pull up the corner and there it'll be. But they tend to be in pretty tough shape. It's amazing how bad they can be, and they can really come back to life with just resanding and a good quality finish.
Yeah, and I have seen his work. It's amazing what he can do. But you know, wintertime, is it okay to do a hardwood floor in the wintertime?
Yeah, absolutely. I can do a wood floor any time of the year. The wintertime is actually kind of a nice time to do it because the humidities are down, the finish dries a little faster, and you end up with a really nice end product.
Great. And what about walls? Sometimes we want to remodel a main floor, but we're going to remove a wall too. And when you do that, you leave this big gap where the hardwood should be, and it's not anymore. Are you able to do anything about that?
Yeah, definitely. In most cases, it's a matter of just piecing in some flooring in that area. There's a couple of different options depending on the layout, depending on the shape of the room. Sometimes it's nice to even have a division so you can drop in a border piece. Or you can lace in some matching hardwood flooring and it completely disappears.
Well, that's awesome. Well, now you know. When you ask me, this is who I end up sending you to. And now you can put a face with a name. Well, thank you everybody for coming, and remember, the grass is always greenest at RE/MAX Lawn Realty.